Johnny, including the word robot in a software technology is a bit disconcerting and possibly provocative to our Intacct end users and customers. What do you say about that?
Yes, the term robotic process automation has been debated quite a bit in the industry, and I think to your point, I think it's been hailed as a great attention grabber and as a great way to differentiate the solutions from any other technology that's out in the market, as well as it's been, contested in a sense that, really we're not talking about actual physical robots, and, we really should be labeling it different because it's very controversial. And so I think if I look at, the way that the term has been evolving, but also what it has done for the market, I do think it's a positive influence, because I think the objective of robotic process automation in its own, in terms of the way you're trying to solve for the problem, is intended to make you think differently about solving the problem. And I do think this digital buzzword, I think, has been kind of abused to a point to where it's been very difficult to slide RPA into that. And I like the fact that it stands out because of that. The challenge that comes with that, I think more on the human factor side, is that it requires organizations, as they implement and deploy this, to do a good job of educating the workforce and management on what it really means and how they should look at robotic process automation. Because oftentimes, as you can imagine, people think the robots are here to take my jobs, and therefore, something has to be done. But when you go through the process of educating and helping employees understand what we're trying to achieve and how we're going about this, most of the time people not only welcome it, they'll contribute to it, because what they're starting to see is that the work that is trying to be given to RPA is work that they in fact want to get rid of, that is causing them to not be able to serve their clients and their management and their teams well. And so I think while it is provocative, I think it's created a positive momentum both in the industry as well as a requirement for organizations to do more around awareness. And I do think that that's a good thing, even although sometimes it can be at first a little bit challenging when introduced into an organization.